Afternoon, family. Ham Salaf. Assalamu alaikum. It's Sunday, about 5:15. Just got home from work. A little extra work. I'm gonna let the birds out, see what they do. Yeah, they normally go straight for a fly, but they coming out a little faster. They go one. Definitely windy. Really windy today, but hey, they be alright. They are trying to group. We'll see them in a second. Should be coming around. I don't know where they are. The wind must have took them. But they are actually trying to fly. Here's a little group. It is really windy out here. They'll get with the program. I ain't made the flag yet, but I will start flagging them up. I'll leave them out until about 8 o'clock tonight. Let them do whatever they want to do. It'll already rain, so I ain't got to give them no bath. I'm gonna put the flag on them for the first time. First flag, first time ever flagging them up. I'm glad they scared of the black flag. I used to have an orange one, but it didn't do nothing. But the black flag definitely sends them up. That's a 500-mile bird right there. He ain't flying nowhere. $500-mile bird, the front one. See, they all over the place. We'll let them go. Nice windy day too. And I'm off tomorrow. That's the only reason why I wasn't worrying too much. Got a few roof huggers. Let them fly for a little while. I won't flag no more. That was good enough. Need to get him back in the other coop. He don't need to be out here. He'll fly around one time and then land anyway. So time to get the old birds out of this group. All right, family, got some on the roof. Still some flying around. That was the first time hitting the flag. I just made it. Just made the flag in the house a little while ago. And it is a windy day. See the trees blowing, but every one of them strong on the wing. I ain't worrying about none of them. I think they want to be up in the air anyway. Next door neighbor cat scared them up a couple of times. But we'll let them do what they do. All right. Let's go ahead and call it a video. Special shouts out to my guy from the UK, Hell Flights. He's got his comments turned off, but definitely want to give him a shout out. Shout out to my partner, to a good guy, Hell Flights, and his dad. I've been following them for a long time. And a special shouts out to Tipplerman 266 and B-Rod, brother from another mother. All right, you guys, good luck on your young birds races, soon to be coming up. All right, and special shouts out to Sensational Gents. All right, guys, comment, subscribe, do what you do.